Just my pleasure to have Governor Inslee here. And before we get started with our panel, I also am very pleased to introduce one of the founders of the Cambia Grove as well, the CEO of Cambia Health Solutions, Mark Gantz.
Governor, we're really pleased that you could be here. We very much appreciate your support of individuals like all of you who are sitting in this room who are really trying to make our healthcare space new, innovative, and more effective. And glad that you're here to talk about that today. And let's welcome Governor Jay Inslee.
First up, I want to say this Cambia Grove is such a cool concept. Can we have a round of applause for this group that's putting this on? And I'm really looking forward to this discussion with this panel of startup entrepreneurs. And so here's a question I'd like to ask our panelists. What's the 60-second elevator speech about why you're in Washington and what you think Washington can offer your vision and hopes?
When I came up here and started doing business, I saw the vitality of the biotech sector, and particularly the entrepreneurs that were up here. The environment was just so energetic. It was quite remarkable. And one of the things I've learned since then is at the time, it can be hard sometimes to recruit to Seattle, but once you're here, you never leave.
When I moved the company to Seattle, I had the option to move it to San Diego as well. Seattle offered a great collaborative community, both on the business side and on the scientific side. Washington State University, University of Washington. But what sealed the deal for me is capital. Unfortunately, capital is what controls the direction, especially at an early stage. We got support from the Life Science Discovery Fund. They hold our hand through the valley of death.
It's home for us. We founded this company here, and we are also very happy to have the research base that's here. It's world-class research that's available to us, as well as the software and business talent to be able to take and build great companies in the state of Washington. And that's why we're here.
The reason to base the company here was we discovered that because of the history of ultrasound in the space and the history of mobile, we could find talent in both those spaces. Because we are a convergent play, we needed talent in both of those. And we were able to, we were bootstrapped by funding from community clinic systems in Washington and also WRF Capital. So that helped us.